How you can fix all your desktop icons disappeared after the Windows 10 update. So after updating your Windows 10, when all of the icons disappeared from your screen and you may not know how to fix it, then I'll show you how to do so. This is the non-bug in Windows 10 and has been here for quite a long time. So basically what happened is the icon spacing registry key in your desktop has been corrupt. So what you need to do is go to Registry Editor and run it as an administrator. Then in the Registry Editor, make sure you go to View and Address Bar and make sure the address bar is turned on. The check icon is there. And the bar you see shows the address bar, which shows basically the address of the registry available that you are touching. And then in this address bar, make sure you paste in the command that I typed in the address bar. Then you'll be redirected to this location. And on the right side, make sure that the icon spacing and icon vertical value is set back to its default number, which is -1128. And here, as you can see, my value is -1125 and my icons are not bugged, which means this is not a problem. But if it was bugged, what we can do is change the value of icon spacing and icon vertical spacing into -1128 and restart your operating system. So just double tap on icon spacing and then change the value data into -1128 and then you're done. And just restart your operating system, and in that way you can you may see that changes that your icons have reappeared. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.